Today is absolutely a good day for you to own a penthouse in Lekki Phase 1. I am right here at the topmost floor of this amazing structure. This is the Pent floor, and this Pent floor is a 5-bedroom, beautifully built penthouse. You can see from this video that this is a massive living space. This is your living room. This living room has a massive glass door that takes you outside to see your entire neighborhood. Also has different windows that shows you different views of Lekki Phase 1. This is massive and has different sections. Over here to my left, where I'm pointing at, is the entrance, and on that entrance side you also have the guest toilet, and you also have the guest room on that same side. So this is your living room. This is an angle view from here to show you how massive this living room is. Okay, so on this floor there's one room on this floor, and there's the kitchen, and there is also this living room. This is the entrance door. This is the main entrance door. So let me just go out and come back in so that you get to understand. So this is the staircase. This is the elevator. The elevator comes right to this topmost floor, and we're about to enter in back from the main entrance. Okay, so once you come in, to the right you have your guest toilet, and also that walkway over there takes you to the guest room on this floor. Okay, just have a view of this your living room with the massive glass doors. Okay, gives you fresh air and cross ventilation. Okay, let's quickly see the guest toilet and the guest room. This is your guest toilet. Okay, you can see the fittings, nicely made. Okay, so this way takes you to the guest room. This is your guest room. Massive. This is big. All right. It's spacious. This is your bath, the guest toilet, bath and toilet. And this is a massive window. One second. This is your guest room. Okay, let's go back to the living room and continue over. Okay, so we're back to the living room. This massive space is the living room. You can see there's a lot of space here. A lot. The living room comes with lots and lots of windows. This massive door, and then this windows, this life-size windows, and there's a sit out here. From here you can also have a very good view of Lekki Phase 1. This parts of okay. So okay. This is another window. From here you can also have another side of view of Lekki Phase 1. Okay, so this is another angle view of your living room. Okay, so let's look at the kitchen before we go off. On this side, you have the staircase that takes you to the other bedrooms upstairs, which are the other 3 bedrooms and the master bedroom. And here, this part should be your dining. This is your dining. It's fit for dining because it's just beside your kitchen. So you just come out and then you have your family meal time here. This is your kitchen. Full set, fully fitted kitchen. Comes with a grill, a microwave, a gas cooker, a heat extractor, and it also comes with a water heater. Okay, so you can see the quality of fittings that comes with this house. So from your kitchen, you can also have a good view of this part of Lekki Phase 1. Okay. The kitchen comes with tons of storage spaces. Tons of them. This kitchen and exit door or back door takes you to your BQ or your maid's room, however you want to call it. Here takes you to your storage space. The space is for storage. Okay, there's 2 spaces here for storage. This side there's no light here, so there are 2 of them. So it's kind of twin space for storage, massive one. Okay, so let's check out the BQ. The BQ is from the exit on the back exit. That's the boys' quarter. This is your BQ. It's also ensuite, all right, with its toilet and bath. This is your boys' quarter, which you can use for either your maid or your driver. Okay, let's go to the remaining rooms, the bedrooms upstairs. A view of the kitchen again before we go. Okay, so we're back to the living room and then we're about to go upstairs to go see the bedrooms. Okay, once you come up, you meet this massive space here with this beautiful chandelier. Okay, so this space should be your lounge. This is your lounge. This is your lounge. So your lounge has 2 large windows for natural light and ventilation. And over here to the lounge has this sit out where you can also have a view of another part of Lekki Phase 1, and also you can sit out. Okay, so from here we enter into the first bedroom here. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Alright, so this bedroom also has 2 large windows, a bigger one and a smaller one, and it also has a sit out. Okay, so and two sit outs outside. Actually, the two windows takes you outside. Over here is the wardrobe, and this is the toilet and the bath. Okay, so let's go check out the other rooms. Okay, this is another bedroom. It's another bedroom, and this is the toilet and bath. And this is another bedroom also. Finally finished, nicely finished. And this is the toilet and the bath. Two, three. Okay, so let's look at the last bedroom here. This is the master bedroom. This is actually big. Wow. So the master bedroom has two large windows and a glass door that takes you to the sit out, the balcony. The master bedroom has like two facets, like two sections. Okay, let's go in there and see. This is quite big, and this is your walk-in closet. The walk-in closet is actually like a room on itself. Lots of storage for all your personal belongings, to accommodate all your personal belongings. Okay, then let's check out the bathroom. This is a toilet and bath. Okay. So we've come to the end of the tour of this penthouse. This penthouse is in the market for 580 million naira. If it looks like something you want to pay into, give us a call right away. Once again, it's located in the heart of Lekki Phase 1. Give me a call right away. Let's lock it down for you before it goes off the market or the price increases. Thank you for watching, everyone. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up once again on this video. Like, share, and also subscribe so that when we share subsequent videos, you will be the very first to get it and watch it. Bye everyone. See you on the next one.